Dear students, starting with the next lesson, lesson number 3 of the unit number 4. Lesson number 3 is joining class models using interface. So in this lesson, we will cover 3 topics. The first one is implement downcast with interfaces. And second, integrate different submodels using interfaces. And finally, create and use interface hierarchies. So starting with the first topic, downcast assignment and exception handling, the application example. In the previous unit, we have discussed also about the downcasting, and when we will assign the superclass reference variable to the subclass reference variable using the operator, and that operator is called move to operator, then this is called downcasting. In a similar way, we can also implement a downcast in case of interfaces. As you can see, this is our class LCL travel agency, which is implementing the internal table, and this internal table containing the references of the different classes, but these references are referring to the services provided by these classes like hotel, rental and carrier in the form of interfaces. So how we can implement downcast? As you can see in this figure, we are going to implement this method book underscore flight, and these are the reference variable L underscore carrier, and the type is referred to the LCL carrier, which is the class LCL carrier. This is first class, and this is L underscore partner, which is reference variable of the interfaces LIF underscore partner, and we are here are assigning the reference variable of the superclass which is an interface to the derived class L underscore carrier reference variable. So this is called downcasting, and that is also called narrowing cast. So by this way you can implement the downcast in case of interfaces. Generally we use this try and catch block exception handling in case of the downcasting. A typical area of the use of this downcast assignment is when the specific component of the instance need to be addressed whose references are kept in the variable that are typed on the interface. So you can understand this by taking an example. Suppose if you want to select the particular reference variable from this table, then we use the downcast. Or you can also understand by this example, a user who is interested in the finer point of the instances in implementing the classes cannot use the interface reference because the downcast assignment only allow access the interface components. In this example, a travel agency LCL underscore travel agency class need to book the flight, but keeps all the various business partner references in internal table that was typed on the interface LIF underscore partner. So this travel agency containing an internal table of the various business partner references like hotel, rental and carrier, and in the form of internal table, and that was typed using the LIF underscore partner. So this reference variable of the type is LIF underscore partner interface. Now come to the next topic, interface hierarchy in the application example. You can see these are the interface hierarchy. That means we can not only create the one interface, we can also create the number of hierarchy of the interfaces here. An interface implementation strongly resembles the regular inheritance. In this example, you need to know whether it is useful to define the further service for the room reservation in interface LIF underscore partner. So question arises, can we book the room? That means we can extend this interface capability. Yes, we can do that by implementing the interface hierarchy. So you can see by this example, suppose you can for the being time you can skip this motel and hotel here, and we have the classes carrier and rental which is implementing this interface LIF underscore partner, and the travel agency is a client which is using this interface services. So can we add to another classes which can implement this interface? That means if motel and hotel also want to provide the services to travel agency in the form of interfaces, So book underscore room is our service. Can motel or hotel can provide this book underscore room service to the interfaces? Yes, that can be do by adding the another classes which can implement this LIF underscore partner interface. So we can integrate with the interface LIF underscore partner by implementing the appropriate method in this interface LIF underscore partner. Now come to the next topic, compound interface in UML notation. Suppose you are going to use this another classes which are going to implement this interface, again the another interface, so that is called compound interface. As you can skip for the moment, like LCL motel and LCL hotel and this interface, the carrier was implementing this interface LIF underscore partner. LCL rental was also implementing LIF underscore partner. The including interface we can include by adding two another classes motel and hotel which are going to implement this another interface LIF underscore lodging. So the including interface is known as compound interface, which represents an extension of the included interface. So this is called component interface and this is called compound interface. An included interface represents a component of the another interface and therefore is known as a component interface. So this interface is containing the another interface, so this is called component interface and this is called compound interface. The interface that doesn't contain other interface is known as elementary interface. So this is called component, this is you may call it as a compound interface, and suppose we are just going to implement only this one, that is called elementary interface. Now how we can define and implement of the compound interface in class? Come to the topic, next topic, definition and implementation of the compound interface. You can see this is our LCL hotel which is implementing the interface LIF underscore lodging, and this interface is also included in the LIF underscore partner. So here the LIF underscore partner is called component interface and LIF underscore lodging is called compound interface. So how we can implement in case of program, you can see this is an interface LIF underscore partner and the method is display underscore partner and end interface, and this is an interface LIF underscore lodging. So we can use this interfaces LIF underscore partner with the help of keyword interfaces, and this interface has its own method book underscore room, methods book underscore room, and also including the interfaces LIF underscore partner. Now the class which is going to implement, the class hotel is going to implement. So we will create the class LCL underscore hotel definition, and this in public section we are going to implement the interfaces. So we are taking here the interfaces LIF underscore lodging, and for calling the method of this display underscore partner and book underscore room you can do in case of implementation part. So we can create the class here, class LCL underscore hotel implementation, and this is method LIF underscore partner and calling the method display underscore partner method. And similarly if you want to call the method of the live lodging book room, how we can do that? Method LIF underscore lodging which is an interface name, and this is component access operator, and with the help of book room method you can call the particular method. Now if you want to address the component in the compound interface, you can do that. This is an example. So this is our data go underscore hotel, which is the type referred to LCL hotel, which is the main class which is going to implement the lodging. You can see that this is a hotel class which is going to implement the lodging interface, and you can see that we are going to create the reference variable of both the interfaces go underscore partner, type referred to LIF underscore partner, go underscore lodging, type referred to LIF underscore lodging. Now this is the reference variable go underscore hotel calling the particular display partner method of the LIF underscore partner with the help of reference variable of the class. So class reference variable is go underscore hotel, component access operator, then LIF underscore partner interface name, and then component access operator display underscore partner. Similarly go underscore hotel, then LIF lodging, and then book room. Now we can also implement the downcasting and upcasting. You can see that go underscore hotel, when we are going to assign the drive class reference variable to the interface, which is a super class. So go super class or interface. So go underscore hotel, we are going to assign go underscore lodging. Then this is called upcasting. Go underscore lodging can access the display underscore partner method. Go underscore lodging can access the book underscore room method also. You can see that in case of upcasting, that is called widening cast. So go underscore lodging, the capability has been increased. So go underscore lodging can call its oven method as well as live underscore partner method. So this reference variable of this lodging interface can access its oven book underscore room method as well as display underscore partner of the super class live underscore partner interface. And you can also see that when we are assigning go underscore hotel to the go underscore partner, go underscore partner can also access the display underscore partner. But in case of downcasting, we assign generally the go underscore partner reference variable to the go underscore lodging, or either you can do that go underscore partner to a go underscore hotel. So this was all about the addressing component in the compound interface. This is last topic of the lesson number 3 of the unit number 4, using interfaces. That means what are the uses of these interfaces? The interfaces are used to describe the protocols for using the components without connecting any implementation. Interface acts as an intermediate layer to protect the client from the explicit server. Interface enable different classes to be handled uniformly. With interface, you can also perform the polymorphism. An interface means the abstraction of the implementing classes. Multiple inheritance can be simulated using the interfaces. So these all are the advantages of the interfaces. The another advantage you can see, safe journey method of the access, ability to simulate multiple inheritance. So the entire software component you can easily extend it with the help of interfaces. So this was all about the unit number 4, lesson number 3. So unit number 4 has been completed here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button.